Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. The cheerleaders earned $175, which is 25% of the total cost of the uniforms. To find the total cost, you can set up the equation, 175 equals 25% of the total cost. First, convert 25% to a decimal, which is 0.25. Then, use the equation, 175 equals 0.25 times the total cost. To find the total cost, divide 175 by 0.25. So, the total cost is 175 divided by 0.25, which equals $700. Therefore, the total cost for a set of uniforms is $700. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.